So Adira, once again,
Then the teacher.
once again, congrats for winning the prestigious award, Rising Star of Mulya. So how do you feel when this name was announced? I already know that you are already nominated.
Wait. So honestly, I was shocked. One of the winners.
Out of 35, 39
Yeah.
awardees in Mulya,
Yes.
where the total strength is 450.
Correct. So that was actually a moment to cherish. And I was so proud of myself.
As a people and culture department, there are a lot of invisible metrics that we need to show up. We need to show the results on the ground, which is actually difficult. But they were able to manage everything so easily because they love their job. They are too much passionate on doing all these things, especially the event part. So I don't want to involve into any of this event, especially designing the event, planning everything. She will do everything. We don't need to give any reminders. I'm not at all bothering about whether she will be missing any of these charters. She will do herself. So I can freely think about the other main charters in people and culture. So she knows that she is the only person who wants to do everything. So there is no other option for her. It's only just shining like a star. So definitely to get this award, there will be some challenges, right?
According to me, when I was doing my tasks, there were very minimal approvals involved. I didn't have to wait for Pinky's approval, even though I'm reporting to her. She trusted in me in such a way that, okay, I can go ahead with the decisions that I am taking.
For those people who are eagerly waiting for the next year's award, what is that message that you want to convey them?
Consistent and taking ownership, accountable for their, even if it is a mistake from their end, take the ownership or be accountable for the mistake, which will definitely help you grow or reach any levels that you want to. Pinky have always created 10 ideas every day, so